If you have a clogged or slow running drain in your home, don't worry, I'm going to help you fix it in 15 minutes. Most of the time, you can clear it using a plunger. But if you have a double sink like this, you have to remember that you need to close up the other side that's draining properly, because when you try to plunge it, there won't be enough downforce to clear the clog. So, you need to remove any screening that might be in the way. Go ahead and place that plunger right over the drain, and then either get someone to help you or hold the stopper on the other side firmly. As you start to plunge, all the force is going down so you can clear it. Now, in case that doesn't work, the clog could be beyond the P-trap. That's that little J-bend that's under the sink. What you need then is a sink rotter like this. It has a smaller tip on it, and what you're going to do is open up your sink, and you're going to carefully place this inside the drain. The whole idea behind this is to hook and force whatever it is that's clogged inside there to come out. And you're going to get to a point where it hits that J-bend, and you want to gently work back and forth while the water is inside here, pulling back and forth. When you see the water go down, you have cleared the drain. Look at that. You fixed it in 15 minutes.